In this video, I will show how to fix Notepad open last file in Windows 11. So once you exit Notepad, you reopen your Notepad. So we can see it's opened last file. So to fix and to change this setting, click on this gear icon for settings. Now here guys, you will see the option when Notepad starts. Click on this drop down. Here you can select open a new window, or you can select open content from the previous. Now here guys, you will see this setting when Notepad starts. So click on this drop down, and here just you need to select open a new window. Now exit, and reopen Notepad. So we can see now it's opened a new file. So thanks for watching.